Hey folks, just wanted to show you that I got a new piece of tech for the mobile geyser. It's the Roborock S7 robot vacuum. And this is my first robot vacuum, but even an old guy like me can use some cleaning help with 21st century tech.
Let's do this!
So this is the box it came in, and I've had it for a couple of weeks, and I've cleaned and washed the floors, and it does a pretty nice job. Comes with a docking station that when it's not in use, it sits there and charges itself. When it's cleaning, it'll return there and start charging, or you can just send it back to the dock and it starts charging immediately. So this is what it looks like when it's stocked, and it's always ready to go. Here's just a quick sample of what it looks like when it's working. So there it is cleaning the floor. And here's an example of what it looks like when it's cleaning the rug. After a few times around the apartment, it figures out where to go, knows how to get around everything, and it does a great job. You download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. It maps everything in the apartment once it gets familiar with every place to go. You can set it to spot clean specific areas or rooms, when you can have it avoid certain areas whenever you want. So I picked mine up from the Walmart website for $650. I'm very pleased with my purchase. You can pretty much get it anywhere. You can go to their website, you can pick it up at Best Buy. It's a lot of places you can get it from. So just wanted to let you guys know that I had it, and I would highly recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description, and as always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching. And by the way, we all do better when we love each other.